Hi, this is Chris Smith from Hype Sites in Delray Beach. I saw one of your vans when I was driving home after dropping my daughter off school in Boca today, and as I often do, I took a quick look at your website and digital marketing efforts. I identified a few issues very quickly that could be improved to increase your search engine visibility and lower your Google Ads cost per click. I'd like to share those with you if it's okay. Let's start with your home page. Behind the scenes, Google uses special meta tags to be able to interact with your site and to know what it's all about and when to show it for specific searches. Here is a Google search for your company name, and here is your listing. But notice that your snippet, which comes from the meta tag description, is at Royal Marine Upholstery. We're devoted to creating beautiful marine interiors that are built to last. We employ skillful technicians. You have no meta description, so Google defaults to the first 160 characters on each page, which give you no control or give no signals to Google or the shopper what your site is all about. A much better meta description for your site would be something similar to what you use for your ad. It tells more about what your site is about. 0% financing, call for details, custom canvas covers, custom made cushions, etc., etc., etc. Secondly, you don't have what are called alt tags on your images. So if I switch to an image search for Royal Marine Upholstery, I see many images, but most are from other sites. Facebook, Yelp. In reality, you'd like to see all of your images show, all with the correct tag. So if the user performs a keyword search and looks at images, one of your images will show up with a link back to your site. Page speed has become very important to Google, and load time matters a lot in terms of the points that Google assigns you for where you show up in mobile and desktop search. I'm using here your site and analyzing it with Google's page speed insights. As you can see, on a mobile site, you have a score of 13 out of 100, and on a desktop, you have a speed of 40 out of 100, both well below what could be considered a failing grade. Is this possible to fix? It's not hard at all if you know what you're doing. Mobile responsiveness is also very important to Google. So let's take a quick look at your site on a smartphone. It does display properly, it is readable, but there are some issues. Number one, look at all the padding and the white space around these images. When you display several images on the same page like this, they become so small that it's almost not worth the user's time to scroll and search through them. This can easily be fixed. Also, I like that you have Instagram, but you should not push your user to Instagram. You should have an Instagram feed somewhere on your site. I see that you run AdWords, so let's look a little bit and talk a little bit about your Google Ads keywords and landing page. Here, for example, I'm doing a keyword search on custom canvas covers for boats. Here you come, right up near the top of the page, which is where we want to be, third ad. Good position for clicks. However, on your other service pages, like boat enclosures, custom boat enclosures or boat enclosures, same thing, here you are up near the top, but you'll notice on both of these pages, as you probably already know, if somebody clicks on your ad, they all go to the same landing page, your generic services page. Not carefully matching your keyword search terms, your ads, and your landing pages can be very costly for you with your efforts with Google. Let me show you how it works from a flow standpoint. Here, for example, is our boat enclosure search, and you are the second result. However, there is some disconnect. The search is for boat enclosures. The ad does not mention boat enclosures at all. It does mention your name, and it says keep your boat good as new with a cover, boat covers. I'm looking for an enclosure, not a cover. And then if I click on the ad and follow through to your services page, I do see eventually at the bottom of the page that you do boat enclosures. Google assigns a quality score of 1 to 10 for the keyword load to landing page flow and content. It'd be hard for you to obtain a very high page quality score in the circumstances of the search we just looked at. And quality score is one of the largest factors in what you pay for a click. If you look at the chart, you'll see that if the Google benchmark price, which is a price somebody bidding on a search term would pay, is right in the middle of the pack. Let's assume that's a $10 per click charge. If you had a quality score of only 2 for that page, you'd be paying $25 for that click. The flip side of that is if you had a quality score of 9, you would only be paying $5.60 for the same click, essentially getting you up to 3 to 5 times as much traffic for the same ad budget. Improving quality scores and landing pages is one of my key specialties. I'm also afraid that you may be wasting some of your ad spend by not being specific enough on your search terms. For example, here I've done a search for cheapest boat cushions. There's your ad, number 1 on the page, right where you want it to be. But let me ask you as a business, are you looking for a customer who wants the cheapest possible boat cushions? Or would it make more sense to screen out keywords that you know are not your ideal customer type? I see many more opportunities to improve your site marketing efforts. Check out my site, hypesites.com, to learn more about me and my approach. Interested in learning how you get more customers at a much lower cost per customer? Get in touch with me at 561-901-5922 and we'll discuss that. I look forward to talking to you and helping you grow Royal Marine Upholstery. Thank you for watching this video.